Matthew Letendre here. Real quick, I just want to tell you why I got this commission. Uh, because I put in the work. I brand myself. I give people a person to connect with. My phone number is in the description of this video. And all I can say about Exitus Elite is it is a rock solid business that's been around for 10 years. It has an owner that cares about the business, that's still updating the business. And you don't have to worry about bringing people into this business because I am so confident that Exitus Elite will still be here another 10 years from now, or even another 5 years from now. Exitus Elite is my home for affiliate marketing, and nothing else is going to take that as my Exitus Elite is my front end business. So, all I can say about Exitus Elite is it is amazing. I mean, a couple of weeks ago when I got this commission, I wasn't expecting to get $500 commission, but because someone saw one of my videos and they connected with me, this $500 is possible. So no matter what way you get out to people, give them somebody to connect with. Brand yourself, get seen, get heard, whatever it is that you have to do. As you can see, I'm not in this video. So you can even do videos like this where you just use a screen recorder. You don't have to even show yourself, but connect with your people and give people someone to connect with. So like the video. If you have any questions, comment below, and I will see you all in the next video. All my contact information is in the description below, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.